What's up, everybody? It's Jimmy, and welcome back to my channel for a very special, very delicious video. Today we're going full-on dessert mode because we're making not one, not two, but 5 different kinds of mousse. That's right, we're talking creamy, dreamy, melt-in-your-mouth mousse that'll make your taste buds do a happy dance. We've got classic flavors, unique twists, and enough sweetness to satisfy any craving. So buckle up, get your spoons ready, and let's jump right into this mousse extravaganza. First up, we're kicking things off with a taste of the tropics, key lime mousse. This one's for all you citrus lovers out there. All right, for this recipe you'll need 1 cup of heavy cream, 1/2 cup of condensed milk, 1/4 cup of lime juice, and 1 tablespoon of lime zest. And trust me, you want that zest. Okay, first things first, grab yourself a big bowl, like seriously the biggest bowl you've got, and pour in that heavy cream. Now we whip it. We're gonna whip that cream until it forms stiff peaks. Think like mountain peak vibes. Next up, gently fold in that sweet, sweet condensed milk. Don't overmix. Now for the star of the show, that tangy lime juice and zest. Mix it all up, and guess what? Time for chilling. Pop it in the fridge for at least a couple of hours. Let those flavors get to know each other. All right, mousse fans, let's keep this party going with some strawberry mousse. It's like summer in a bowl, no joke. Okay, here's the game plan. 1 cup fresh strawberries, 1 cup heavy cream, 1/4 cup sugar, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract for that extra touch of magic. First up, we're going to give those strawberries a spin in a blender or food processor until they're nice and smooth. Then, in another bowl, whip that heavy cream with the sugar until you've got those fluffy peaks again. Now we're going to take our strawberry puree and gently fold it into the whipped cream along with a splash of vanilla. And guess what? It's fridge time again. Let that strawberry goodness chill for a few hours to really let those flavors sing. Chapter 3, Chocolate Mousse, the ultimate classic. Time for a true crowd pleaser, folks. Chocolate mousse. This one's a classic for a reason. It's rich, decadent, and oh so chocolatey. Here's what you're gonna need. 1 cup of good quality dark chocolate, 1 cup of heavy cream, 3 eggs, and a pinch of salt. Now the key to amazing chocolate mousse is melting that chocolate low and slow. We're talking double boiler or microwave in short bursts. While the chocolate is cooling down a bit, let's whip those egg yolks until they're light and fluffy. Then slowly whisk in the melted chocolate until it's all smooth and combined. In a separate bowl, whip that heavy cream with a pinch of salt until you have stiff peaks. Now gently fold the whipped cream into the chocolate mixture. Fridge time. This one needs at least 4 hours, but trust me, it's worth the wait. Chapter 4. Caramel dreams are made of this. Get ready for a serious sugar rush because we're making caramel mousse. This one's for all you caramel lovers out there. Here's the lineup. 1 cup sugar, 1/4 cup water, 1 cup heavy cream, 1/4 cup butter, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. First things first, we're making caramel. Heat that sugar and water in a saucepan over medium heat and let it work its magic. Don't stir. Once it turns a beautiful amber color, carefully whisk in the heavy cream and butter. Be careful, it might bubble. Let that caramel cool for a bit, then whisk in that vanilla extract. Now, in another bowl, whip some heavy cream to stiff peaks. Gently fold that caramel goodness into the whipped cream, and you guessed it, time for some fridge time. Let those flavors meld for at least a few hours. Chapter 5. Cookies and cream, the ultimate mashup. All right, folks, we've saved the best for last, cookies and cream mousse. This one's a childhood dream come true. Here's what we're working with. 1 cup of your favorite chocolate sandwich cookies, 1 cup heavy cream, 1/2 cup cream cheese, 1/4 cup powdered sugar, and 1 teaspoon vanilla extract. First up, crush those cookies. You can use a food processor, a blender, or even just put them in a bag and go to town with a rolling pin. Now, in a bowl, beat together that cream cheese, powdered sugar, and vanilla extract until it's smooth and creamy. In another bowl, whip that heavy cream to stiff peaks. Gently fold the whipped cream into the cream cheese mixture, then fold in those crushed cookies. Fridge time one last time. Let it chill for a few hours to let those flavors come together. And there you have it, folks. 5 incredible mousse recipes that are guaranteed to satisfy your sweet tooth. Which one are you going to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. and subscribe to my channel for more delicious recipes and fun food adventures. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in my next video.